Ladies and gentlemen, Airlines would like to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is just shy of 11 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your indication that it is safe to stand up and start moving about the cabin. You may now use your cell phone to email the button if they are within reach. For those of you with checked luggage, you may claim it at Spirit's baggage claim area, which is located on the lower level. And for any of our customers needing special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the majority of the passengers have deplaned, as wheelchairs will not be available until the end of the deplaning process. This will allow the ground service crew to better assist you. All of us at Spirit Airlines, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We take pride in being the first ultra low-cost carrier in the Americas and look forward to offering you the best low fares the next time you fly with us. We invite you to visit our website at spiritair.com, where you can check in online and get great low fares on flights, car rentals, hotels, vacation packages, and even cruises. From the entire Spirit Airlines family, we wish you a pleasant stay in Fort Lauderdale or wherever your final destination may be. Have a great evening.
The wing store. Yeah. You want to pick up a couple of minutes in this account, or you want how about this one? My account or your account?
This way. I want to put it here.
Do that. Hi, Miss Gloria. Whoa.
Hello. Hello. Ahorita la llamo cuando salga por sí, ya para muchas cosas. Estamos a salir. Sí, tenemos lo que hacen ahora. Estoy lloviendo. No tanto como lo otro. Pero bien.
No, estamos en la visita llegando.
Charlie. How long it takes to get to the airport? Hurry up, hey, we're getting to the airport. And listen, Mary. Or man. How long does it take to the airport? Or even skate? We can lose a minute. I don't want to lose it for our next flight. It's so long. On my left, I can see some we're just gonna take a left turn. And there we are. Ask everyone if I video this, or maybe you take them. There, you can see the one right there. Yeah, it looks dark. There's some light. Hey, look up at those, like, right there. Oh, that's very, well, I think you can see it. Too much. Let's go for like, why is he parked there? Huh? Why is Spirit parked there? I don't know. Maybe that's what you wanted. We are to our gate. Oh, this is our gate. I didn't see that. I know. We crossed to Air Jamaica. And this is Holy Spirit. Yes, Holy Spirit. Hey, I was about to do my video. Tell it and everyone. Oh well, I just do a little. And here we are, New York. But Largo, Hollywood Airport. And stop. Oh, whoa. Thank you.